Welcome, my dear students, to Standard 10 class Science and Technology Part 2. Today we will study Introduction to Microbiology. In this chapter, we will learn applied microbiology, industrial microbiology, and the products. Which different microbes are useful to us? Many microbes are useful to us, such as bacteria, which are used for making curds from milk, yeast used to ferment the batter of bread, bacteria used for making other milk products, bacteria and fungi used for making antibiotics. The bacteria are even used for pollution control. Which different products can be produced with the help of microbes? Milk products, cheese, cocoa, pickles made from vegetables, wine and other beverages, bread, probiotic substances, and cattle feed are produced with the help of microbes. We begin with applied microbiology, branch of biology in which study of enzymes related to some prokaryotes, that is the microorganisms with incomplete cell, and eukaryotic microbes, that is the microbes with complete cell, that is the body wall with complete cell, proteins, applied genetics, molecular biology, that is study of proteins, etc., is performed, is called as applied microbiology. This study is used for the society, and various products like food and medicines are produced on large scale with the help of microorganisms. Industrial microbiology. This science is related to commercial use of microbes in which various economic, social, and environment related processes and products are included. Various microbial processes useful for this purpose are carried out. Industrial microbiology is related to monetary gains. Industrial microbiology, the main features: various productions with the help of fermentation process, for example bread, cheese, wine, raw material for chemicals, enzymes, nutrients, medicines, etc. Use of microbes for garbage management and pollution control. In products, we begin with the yogurt products. We use the fermentation process while making yogurt from milk. Which microbes are useful for this process? When the milk is converted into yogurt, a small quantity of lactobacilli culture is introduced into the warm milk. These bacteria bring about changes in the constituents of the milk by fermentation and coagulation, that is thickening. This way, yogurt is produced. We will study yogurt production in detail. Condensed milk powder mixed with milk for more proteins, that is the milk is then boiled when it is mixed with the powder, that is the milk powder, and cooled. I repeat, condensed milk powder is mixed with the milk, and this milk is boiled and then cooled a little. Streptococcus thermulus and Lactobacillus delbrueckii bacterial strains are added to it in 1:1 proportion. Streptococcus helps in the formation of lactic acid in it, makes the proteins to gel out, and the yogurt becomes dense, that is thick. Lactobacilli, which is introduced in it, helps in the formation of acetaldehyde like compounds, which gives characteristic taste to the yogurt. Yogurt mixed with various fruit juices impart different flavors. Example, strawberry yogurt, banana yogurt, etc. Pasteurization increases shelf life of the yogurt and its probiotic properties. That is, sterilization increases the shelf life of the yogurt and retains its properties. Butter. Butter is of two types, sweet cream butter and cultured butter. For large scale production of cultured butter, microbes are used. Cheese production. Method for cheese production. Cheese is produced from cow milk in the entire world. Initially, chemical and microbiological test of the milk is being done. Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus cremoris, and Streptococcus thermophilus plus colors are added to the milk. Due to this, milk turns sour, whey, that is water in the yogurt, is removed to make the milk dense, that is thick. Protease enzyme from fungi is used at present to produce vegetarian cheese. Previously, rennet enzyme from the alimentary canal of cattle was used. Whey is completely separated from the yogurt. To summarize the steps of process of cheese production: cutting of solid yogurt into pieces, washing, rubbing, salting, mixing of essential microbes, pigments, flavors are added, and cheese is pressed and cut into pieces and stored for ripening. Probiotics. What for probiotic food is famous? In probiotic food, lactobacilli bacteria are added. This addition increases the nutritional value of the food. The harmful bacteria, Clostridium, are destroyed due to probiotics. They also increase the intestinal flora of bacteria that synthesize the vitamin inside the human intestine. The disease resisting power is also increased due to probiotics. Probiotics, that is the milk products containing active bacteria such as Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei, Bifidobacterium bifidum, etc. form probiotics. All the above microbes help in maintaining the intestinal bacteria which help the digestion. They also decrease the harmful bacteria such as Clostridium. Probiotic products. Various products are called probiotic such as yogurt, kefir, pickle of cabbage and other pickles, dark chocolate, miso soup, oils, corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, seafood, microalgae. Example: Spirulina chlorella, blue-green algae, etc. Benefits of probiotics. The colonies of useful bacteria are formed in the alimentary canal. The harmful microbes can be controlled by reducing their metabolic activities. Probiotics improve resistance to fight against diseases. Some harmful substances are formed during metabolic activities. Their bad effects are lowered due to probiotics. Due to antibiotic treatment, useful bacteria become inactive. Probiotics revitalize them to make them active again. Probiotics are used for the treatment of diarrhea. In poultry treatment too, probiotics are used. Bread. Bread is made from flour obtained from the different cereals. The dough is made by mixing together the baker's yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, water, salt and other necessary materials are added. The yeast helps in the fermentation and brings about degradation and converts the sugar into carbon dioxide and ethanol. Due to release of carbon dioxide during baking, the bread becomes spongy. Yeast is of two types: compressed yeast containing carbohydrates, fats, proteins, various vitamins, and minerals. This is used in commercial bakery industry, that is for monetary gains. Dry granular yeast is used for domestic purpose, that means in the house. Yeast is a microorganism which helps in the fermentation process to prepare bread. Products produced with yeast become nutritive. Vinegar, soya sauce, and monosodium glutamate, that is Ajinomoto, are also produced by microbial fermentation. Vinegar production. Vinegar is used in each country of the world to impart sour taste to food materials and for preservation of pickles, sauce, ketchup, chutneys, etc. Chemically, vinegar is 4% acetic acid, that is CH3COOH. That is, in 100 ml of water, only 4 ml of acetic acid is present. Ethanol, and alcohol is obtained by fermentation of carbon compounds like fruit juices, maple syrup, sugar molasses, starch of the roots with the help of yeast known as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Preparation of vinegar. Ethanol plus Acetobacter and Glucanobacter mixture is microbially degraded and acetic acid and other byproducts are formed. This acetic acid is separated by rarefaction. Separation of acetic acid is being done. Acetic acid is bleached with potassium ferrocyanide. Pasteurization, that is sterilization, is being done, and very small quantity of SO2 gas is mixed with it. Vinegar is produced through it. Soya sauce, fungus, Aspergillus oryzae is used to ferment the mixture of the flour of wheat or rice and soya bean to produce soya sauce. Microbial enzymes. Which functions are performed by enzymes secreted in human digestive system? Different enzymes secreted by the glands associated with the digestive system help in the digestion of the food. The complex food components are broken down to simple absorbable substances due to enzymatic action. Give names of such enzymes. The pepsin and renin secreted by the stomach, amylase, trypsin, and lipase secreted by the pancreas, and peptidase and other enzymes secreted by the intestinal glands in the small intestine are the enzymes which bring about catalytic activity and help in the digestion of the food. Microbial enzymes. The enzymes obtained by the activity of the microbes are used in the industrial processes. These microbial enzymes are better than the chemical catalyst. Microbial enzymes work at the low temperature, pH, and pressure. Energy is saved in the processes using microbial enzymes. There is no need of erosion-proof instruments for this process. Only specific processes are carried out by the enzymes. Unnecessary byproducts are not formed during the reactions. Purification is not needed, and hence expenses on purification are reduced. Elimination and decomposition of waste material is avoided. Enzymes can be reused. Microbial enzymes are thus eco friendly. Some examples of microbial enzymes are oxidoreductase, transferase, hydrolase, lysase, isomerase, ligases. Industries that use microbial enzymes, detergents, use of cleaning process to remove dirt at low temperature, obtaining glucose and fructose syrup from corn flour using enzymes like bacilli and streptomyces. Industries for cheese manufacture, plant extracts, textile, leather, paper, etc. Some microbes are used in the production of amino acids. These amino acids are used in making commercial products. Glutamic acid, citric acid, gluconic acid, lactic acid, and itaconic acid are the amino acids which are prepared by action of certain microbes on some plant sources. Xanthan gum. Xanthomonas species is used to make xanthan gum by fermentation of starch and molasses. It is useful due to properties like solubility in hot and cold water and high density. It is used in the production of pigments, fertilizers, weedicides, textile pigments, toothpaste, high quality paper, etc. Xanthan gum also imparts thickness to your favorite ice creams, puddings, chocolates, milkshakes, chocolate drinks, instant soups, etc. This gum is obtained by fermentation of starch and molasses with the help of Xanthomonas species. It is variously useful due to properties like solubility in hot and cold water and the high density. It is useful for the production of fertilizers, weedicides, textile pigments, toothpaste, high quality paper, etc. Thank you, my dear children.